welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today we're going to explore a gentle, minimalist way to stay organized with Google Sheets. A simple toolkit I actually use every single day. No pressure, no complicated formulas. Just calm, clear structure. Most people think productivity needs complexity, but often it just creates noise. Minimalist spreadsheets do the opposite. They bring clarity, honesty, and a small sense of space in your digital day. And now, let's take the first step. Create a new sheet and name it Weekly Overview. This is the calm center of the whole week. Date, one priority, a few tasks, a small place for notes. Nothing extra, just what matters. A sheet you can update in seconds and return to whenever life feels noisy. From here, gently create your habit tracker. A simple vertical list: sleep, water, stretch, reading, dates across the top. Tiny check marks. Not a streak, not pressure, just awareness. A soft way to notice your rhythms without chasing perfection. Next, build your project board. Project, status, next step, notes. Every project becomes lighter when you only focus on the very next gentle step. No overwhelm, no giant systems, just a calm direction. And finally, a finance snapshot. Income, expenses, balance. That's it. A simple monthly awareness that keeps your mind steady instead of stressed. Here's how this looks in real life. A clear weekly overview. A few thoughtful habits. One project in motion. A soft financial picture. Minimal notes, plenty of air, and only the tools that truly support your day. Let's keep it simple. 4 sheets, clear structure, gentle priorities, no pressure. Just a calm system you can return to. If this brought you a moment of clarity, feel free to like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.